friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today I thought that I would take you along with me because I'm starving and I want to eat like Mexican food, and there's a fairly new Mexican restaurant that opened up in my town, and I still haven't tried it. I still haven't gone there. Since I was craving Mexican food today, I thought I'd take you along with me and show you the inside, show you the food, and of course give you my honest thoughts on the food. If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, then I'll tell you why, and let's see. If that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, here we are. The restaurant is called Cinco de Mayo, and I'm super hungry, so let's go inside. Okay, so I ordered the chicken bacon ranch quesadilla. Plus, it also has avocado pieces inside, like chunky ones, and I love avocado. And my hubby ordered the chicken chimichanga. It had Monterey cheese, and it came with refried beans on the side. It looks delicious. My quesadilla also has Monterey cheese on top, which I also love. Look how chunky and thick this is. It brings a lot of stuff inside. So I took a nice bite so you can see the inside, and it tastes delicious. Everything has flavor, and it's very stuffed inside, very thick. So this sauce right here is delicious. It's not just ranch, it's like ranch mixed with something else. It's delicious, super yummy. I honestly love that sauce, and it looks kind of green, but I don't know if it's the lighting next to me or if they added like coloring or something, but it looks kind of green, and it's so freaking good. I also tried the chimichanga because I was curious, and it's very delicious as well, and it's super thick. So yeah, I am stuffed. The food was excellent. I loved everything that I ate. I tried what my hubby was eating, and I loved it as well. It had great flavor. I highly recommend this place because I'm very picky on like Mexican restaurants, and this is one of the good ones. All the information about the restaurant is going to be in the description box in case you're interested and you live here in Puerto Rico in this town. So with that being said, thank you for joining me today. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.